Welcome. If you want to set up alarm clock in your Wiko Harry, and first you have to open your clock application, then move to the alarm, so click on the left corner, activate one of them, and when you click here you can also adjust this alarm. So I'm going to leave the repeat on Friday. We can turn off vibration by clicking right here, and let's change the ringtone. Click OK to confirm, tap on this arrow one more time, and as you can see, that's how our alarm looks right now. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!